Hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. My name is Ratan. We are discussing Python entry questions, right? Question number 35. Question number 35. Guys, what is the difference between the variable argument and keyword argument? I think every question is important. What is the difference between the variable argument and what a keyword argument? Guys, star represents the variable argument. So while taking the arguments, star represents what a variable argument. Double star represents like keyword argument. Because star means what a variable argument, double star represents what keyword argument, right? Yeah, variable argument can take the multiple values, guys. It may take the 0 value, 1, 2, 3, 4. It can take any number of arguments. Guys, it will take what used to take the multiple values. It may take the 0 number like without no values. It will take the 1 argument, 2 argument, 3 argument, like that. Keyword argument means what can take the multiple values only here also, but multiple key value pairs. Okay, it will take the multiple key value pairs, right? Exactly. Okay, see the syntax here. Def disp is there. Disp is expecting the star arg, double star kwarg. So this disp method expecting how many arguments here? 2 arguments, right? What are 2 arguments, guys? One is a star arg, second one is what? Double star arg, right? While calling the function, I pass it 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30 by default taken as a star arg. Because by default taken as what? Star arg. Like I equal double 1, j equal double 2, k equal double 3. Now that is called key values actually. This is called what? Key values, right? If these are the key values, I equal double 1, j equal double 2, k equal double 3. These are called what? Key values, right? This is like taking the keyword argument, right? These are taking what? Keyword argument. So we understood that variable argument is used to take the multiple values, like 10, 20, 30, like that. Keyword argument take the data like key value pair format. Okay, so let me do the practicals, guys. You will get the more clarity about that. So to do the practicals, we are using Python online compiler. So let me type the Python online compiler. REPL is the website. Go for the Python 3. In the REPL website, here you can write the code, right? Yeah, I hope you know the function declaration, guys. How can you define the function? Def, what the function name here? Display function is there, guys. Argument you can take the star, okay, star arg. Star means what? Like multiple values. I am trying to print the arg, right? Okay, then you can do the function call. Simply I am trying to call this method, right? I didn't pass any value. Even if you didn't pass any value, this is called variable argument, right? Variable argument, comma we can print. Because first case this method I didn't pass any value, no problem, it can take the value, it will execute the data. Variable argument empty. It allows the method while calling the function. Tell me, while calling the function, we can pass the 0 argument, or while calling the function, we can pass like 1 argument, or you can call like 2 arguments, or you can call like 3 arguments. It allows the function to take like 0 arguments, 1 argument, 2 argument, 3 argument, any number of values, right? Yes. See, guys, by default it is taking the output is like tuple format, tuple with 0 values, tuple with 1 value. Tuple with 1 value means in the tuple generally when you take the 1 value, it is taking the comma separator, right? It is taking what? Comma separator. This is tuple with 2 arguments like 10, 20. This is tuple with 3 arguments 10, 20, what? 30, right? Exactly. So we understood that. Okay, it is taking the data by default. Which format, guys? Star, it will take the data. Yes, it will take the data by default. Which format here? Tuple format, right? Exactly. Guys, it will take the data which format here? Oh, I written the message here. 35th question, right? Yeah. It will take the data in which format? Tuple format, right? Yes, that is also important. It will take the data in which format here? Tuple format, right? Exactly. That is called variable argument. You got the point, right? Variable argument. Then you can take the keyword argument. Keyword argument means what? Double star. Something like any argument name you can give. I given the argument name is what? kwarg, right? Kwarg. When you call that here, when we call the function, So here you can take the data like a equal to 10 comma, b equal 20 comma, c equal 30. This is like key values actually, the key equal value, key equal value, key equal value, right? I am printing what the data guys tell me, KWRG, right? Yes. Simply can run this code. We are getting output in which format guys here? Dictionary format. Guys, variable argument is taking the data in which format? Tuple format. Keyword argument, it is taking the data in which format? Dictionary format, right? Guys, taking the data in which format? Dictionary format or not? This is called key and value. This is called key and value. This is called key and what? Value, right? Exactly. Guys, if you want to do one thing, you can take the star ERJ comma double star KWRJ. Star ERJ means 10 comma 20 comma 30. These three values are taken as a star ERJ and these three values are taken as a KWRJ, right? Okay, this is called variable argument. This is like variable argument, keyword argument. This is like keyword argument, right? This is like keyword argument. So here ARG, that's it. Guess if we run this code, we got the output like variable argument, you are getting the data in which format? Tuple format. 10, 20, 30 is getting the tuple format, right? Second one is what? Keyword argument. Keyword argument, you are getting the data like A10, B20, C30, right? Exactly. I think you got the clarity, right? There is a difference between what? Difference between what? Keyword argument, variable argument and what? Keyword argument, right? Yes. Keyword argument, it will take the data. Tell me guys, it will take the data in which format? Dictionary format, right? Dict format. Previously it is taking the data tuple format. Now it is taking the data in which format? Dictionary format, right? Exactly. Because you got the point, right? In interview, directly we have to say what the question is asking, we need to respond like that. It's not like explaining half an hour theory, right? Question means what? It's not like half an hour, 15 minutes theory. Variable argument means what? It is used to take the multiple values, like maybe 0 number, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, and it will take the data in which format? Tuple format. Keyword argument means what? It will take the data in the key value pair format. Keys must be what? Strings. It will take the data in which format? Dict format, dictionary format. I think you understood the point, right? Yeah, that is the question, guys. There is a difference between the variable argument and what? A keyword argument, right? Exactly. Guys, check the question. Clearly explained with the practicals also. Maybe when you see the practicals, when you explain question is done, I think you are getting more clarity, right? Yes or no? I hope you enjoyed the questions, all the questions. You try to read all the questions properly, okay? Try to get some clarity about all the questions. If you enter asking any one of these questions, immediately you need to respond. Yeah, definitely everyone will focus on these questions only, guys, not more than this. 100 questions I will take, no? Anyway, in entry panel if they are asking the questions, that is any one of the question, okay? Thank you, guys. Next week we will go for the 36th question. Thank you.